What's up, Chooch? Damon, Normal, what's up, brothers? What up? What up? Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, I know exactly what to do. When I need to minimize chat, I'll just full screen this. Actually, that won't work. Oh, whatever. Let me announce that I'm live. I always forget. I always forget to announce. Yeah, Chooch, we gotta cook another one up today, then, bro. We gotta make it back now. But for me, it actually wouldn't have hit because Trae Young went over. He actually hit the game winner that sent him over. Oh, fuck it. We'll just restart together, bro. Restart, bro. It's like not even a big deal. Do, 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 do. Bro, day one for real now, bro. For real. On a real note, though. Bro, do you usually wait for news to come out? I haven't even looked at the calendar yet. Let me look. What's the buys for today? Probably gonna be bullish. Jolt's at 10. Trump speaks at 5. Yeah. We're inside this 4-hour city. Everything's down, bro. We're inside this 4-hour city. Bias. I'll cover bias in a bit. I'll let people join up. I don't want to have to repeat myself. A good sandwich. Yep, thank you. That'd be nice too, yeah. What are key points I have measured before taking trader? What? Key points I have to measure before taking a trade? What's up, user? I'm doing good, bro. How are you, man? Before taking a trade, you need to know where price is gonna go. If that's what you're asking. What? I'm just reading your message, bro. It didn't really make sense. I'm not sure what you're asking exactly. What's up, 84? Um, yeah, I'd want to see higher, to be honest. Can I please ask you to trade? I'm going to be trading. I mean, I'll either trade one mini or micros. Depends on the account. If I have a 150K account, sometimes I just do the mini. Phoenix. He said bullish, bullish. Yeah, I'm gonna primarily look for some micros, but I would definitely use micros for a 50K. Even for the 150K, primarily you should use micros. The only reason I'm not is because it's an eval, and I don't mind, not using the exact same risk management I do on a funded than I do on an eval, because I'm trying to pass or fail just quicker. I don't want to be on an eval for so long, so I like to risk a little bit more on the evals. You should hit gym. I'm going to the gym today. I was sick, so I missed a couple days or something, but I'm going today again. What's up, Sarvan? Morning, Guru. What do you trade on? I'll be trading on Top Step accounts, which will be in my other monitor, and I'll be trading on my Tradeify 150K as well. Longs or shorts? I mean, I'm going to primarily look for longs. I mean, I don't mind taking shorts if we find something intraday, but I think my higher time frame bias is bullish, just based on the fact that we opened up so much lower. I don't know how this candle is bullish on ES. We opened here, closed here. We opened. What? I don't know. You eat protein? Yeah, I'm trying to eat as much as I can. I'm trying to gain weight, but it's difficult. What's up, Toxic? What's up? What's up? What's up? Boiling? No, I'm not saying nothing. I won't say nothing while you're here. I remember what you said. One question: how do you calculate risk on micros or minis? I've recently switched to futures. What you need to do is not calculate. You need to identify how much, how many points your stop loss is, and then multiply that by the contract multiplier, I guess you can say. So for micro, that's $2 per point. So if you have a 50-point stop loss, you can only, if that's $2 per point. So that's $100 risk per contract. You have to just do the little quick calculation. So whatever your point stop loss is, multiplied by 2. All right, good luck, Toxic. 9:18. Yeah, it's still early. Let's give it some time. It's not, bro. You just need discipline and it's over. I'm pretty disciplined, bro. It's just I'm not that good at eating, bro. Like when I get full, like my stomach starts to hurt and shit. I get like it's like awful feeling. I'm trying to eat as much as I can though. I've been eating 2 breakfasts recently, so I usually eat 1 on stream and then I eat again, and I try to get 2 more meals. But it's hard. I'm not good at eating. Yeah, I know you can change your time. On the higher time frame, I'm bullish. I haven't looked at the intraday charts yet. What are we thinking today? I think we can go higher. I'm thinking Monday's high is possible. What the fuck is this? Okay, I guess Tuesday's current day, day of high day. Freaking weird ass market, bro. I swear to God, it's a weird ass market. Not typical things that you'd want to see for like a high probability market, but Asia instantly dumps. London kind of retraces. We have a low here at midnight. But I think we can go higher. Do you usually wait for 10 a.m. open? No. I mean, sometimes it just depends on how it's forming, right? If it's not clear, then I'll wait for more. Depends on the economic calendar. Stuff like that. The thing is, like, what sell side would I want to see taken before longs? I want to see it stay above 50% of the new week. Maybe before giving any bias, I should just wait a little bit. Because ideally, we stay above this new week. If TMO bought Owanda, oh shit, I use Owanda. How come I never see you trading gold? That's because I'm never trading gold, bro. I primarily trade futures. I do see a bearish case, so I think I should wait before making a bias. I do see both sides. I was leaning a little bit more towards longs because of the fact that we did take out this sell side on the S&P, and ever since we've expanded, putting in this 4-hour BISI above new week opening gap. So I'd want to see that 50% level primarily respected. But then again, the contrary, we did get a full gap closure, and since then we've put in a bearish fair value gap that we seem to be respecting the upper quadrant of the gap. Like, we're literally respecting the lower quadrant and the upper quadrant of the gap. I do think order flow is a little bit more bullish. It seems a little bit more bullish for me, but oh, lean. I'm lean, bro. I'm literally, my fat percentage is really low. I just need to gain weight. Yeah, what's going on about, bro? Like, you've been on my ass about that shit, bro. Are you even here to? Are you even a trader, bro? Please show settings of the retracement. Are you talking about Fibonacci? The Fibonacci retracement? For a Fibonacci retracement, these are your settings. Dude, you don't even know what I look like, bro. How are you even saying all this? You got it? Nice. I'm bullish. You know what? Let's do a poll in chat, bro. How many people are in chat? YouTube chat. I guess we can do I don't know how to do a poll on TikTok, so we'll just do the poll on YouTube. I think if I do, I'm just curious. That didn't work. That was awkward. Oh, engage with audience, start a poll. I'm curious what you guys think. Bullish, bearish. You know we can see you? Yeah, but you can't see my body. You don't know what's under here, bro. I got a sleeper build, bro. I did a poll in YouTube chat. In longs right now, someone said bearish. I'll do the poll on YouTube to see what they say. What's up, Ricardo? I need a stop hunt before longs. Yeah, that's okay. I think TikTok's more bearish. I'm not going to use any of this information, by the way, guys. I'm just curious. Curious to think what. It's definitely not clear, in my opinion. I mean, right? We do have the SMT here, and usually I don't like using SMT for bias, but in this case, we don't need to engage that liquidity pool here because the S&P already did. So bearish for AM and bullish for PM. I wouldn't go that far. I wouldn't even do that to yourself. Just keep it. You're gonna get a lot more information by the time PM session comes. So someone said daily bounce off the FAG plus one, yes, but then London open went up and reversed. Someone said full bears. Oh, Daniel's confident, bro. He's like, yeah. I mean, YouTube's more bullish. YouTube chat's more, but bro, I know there's more than 27 of you boys. How many of you are in here, bro? It tells me it takes so long to check, bro. What does that say? Oh, 66. That is pretty low, I guess. There's 65 in here. New York reversal for me. You mean New York continuation? Continuation of what? London? Yeah. Bullish SMT on the 5 minute. I haven't even seen that SMT, but I would probably still expect it to get run through. All right, it's 9:26. Let's talk about what I'm gonna look for here. Um, so like I already said, I am primarily bullish. The reason being is, so I am bullish primarily, but doesn't mean I necessarily won't look for shorts. It could be more of a range condition. But on the daily chart, I am bullish. I was initially bearish to start the week. Then we obviously opened lower and took out pretty much all the levels I was looking for. I called out all of these lows and this low, and we pretty much took them all. And now we have an SMT here. And it's not really the SMT that makes me bullish. It's the fact that since ES took out this low, we've expanded aggressively, closing above 50% new week opening gap with the 4-hour BISI here. All bullish arrays have been respected. We haven't really respected any discount arrays, premium arrays, right? If we're bearish, we shouldn't be having full gap closure. We did like retouch this daily bearish fair value gap. No, we actually did not touch the bearish fair value gap, so that's also interesting. Okay, it's definitely not the most clear, but order flow is definitely bullish in my opinion on the higher time frame, right? Just because we have a 4-hour bearish doesn't mean we're gonna go lower. We haven't been respecting premium arrays. We've been respecting all the discount arrays, at least on the 4-hour. If you go down to the 1-hour, I mean, you see something similar, right? We came down, respected discount arrays. Right, we took sell side, but we still respected. We formed a no B. We have an inversion here. So again, disrespecting premium arrays. So I am leaning towards longs. Objective would be, I guess this is Asia highs. So we'll just label that as buy side, I guess. Do I think we're gonna get there today? How many points is that? 160 is possible. All right, let's end the poll. Looks like most of YouTube is bullish as well. More people are unclear than bearish. Interesting. Short term is probably bearish. Yeah, I mean, taking a trade is different than just a higher time frame bias, but we do that 10 a.m. Yeah, I know. Appreciate you telling me though. What's up, Rita? 86. Appreciate you, Normal. Oh, is your last name actually LeBron? What about that Sibi in previous swing high? Which Sibi? The 4-hour Sibi? I don't want to see you get run through. If you go to the 15-minute chart, you see midnight opening. We immediately came lower. This could be your low of day. We expand. It's not London reversal. I don't know about Asia reversal, but the NWAG Sibi? Yes? All right, let's lock in here. I'm gonna minimize the chat so I can focus up. You guys know I've been doing that recently. So if you have any questions, just put them on pause while I try to focus up here. So 15-minute charts. Yeah, I mean, ideally we take out some sell side, even if we retest 50%. It's not that I want it to retest. It's that if it does come here, I expect it to respect. So if it does go there, then we can maybe frame a higher probability trade. If you look at the 1-minute chart, this price action looks pretty awful. I'm going to scan for relative equal lows. I don't really see any. I see this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. And we did take out this sell side. So this could be enough. I wonder if we expand higher here, getting a change in the state. If so, how long? I'm not hesitating today, bro. I swear, if the model forms, lose or win, I don't care. I don't even care if I'm skeptical about the idea. If the steps form, I'm pushing the button. No hesitation. Because I'm not in a place where I can be like, oh, but yeah, it's formed, but I'm a little bit like, I don't even know if that's me talking or if it's something else, you know? Where's org? Here? That's so weird. Never seen an org like that, but org is also higher. Honestly, if we get this, I'm gonna take this. Okay. I know I said I wouldn't hesitate, but this candle is expanding way too much. Like, for example, these equal highs. Like, I still need good risk to reward, you know? Like something like this. I mean, we could maybe get something like this. Let's see if it comes lower, then we could go for a long. Like, see, like that's not me hesitating. There's just no way I can get in on that move. It's just the risk reward is awful. I can't buy it up there because if it is going to retrace, I'm going to admit, you know, if it is going to retrace, then I have to deal with way too much drawdown. We also took out some buy side. Like if I was in this, I'd probably be break even right now, or partialed at these highs. There is a fair value gap there. This is your first presentation. I don't think it'll give us a fill, man. I don't think it'll give us a fill. I don't want to hesitate this time. I don't want to hesitate. I'm just going to leave the order in, man. Check out this low. We got the CISB, classic model. We got the fair value gap. I don't care that it's wicking. I mean, I do, but okay, let's try and take this. So I'm looking for an entry on the first presentation. Hopefully we can get a fill here. This is kind of what I'm looking for. It kind of missed our fill, and it's kind of going without us right now. If it reaches these highs, I'm going to have to take off this limit order. ES just tapped in. ES just tapped into the fair value gap. I wonder if I could ever market buy this and just put the stop at the low. I'm gonna cancel my limit and see if it comes back. I'm honestly tempted to just buy it and put the stop loss here, but I mean, that would be a rule break. Would it be? No, not really. I mean, yeah, no, it definitely would be. Like, I was thinking about doing something like this because this is the low that was put in on ES. But I'm gonna go straight to TP. How did we not get filled there? Again, man? Not even 1 point. Missed us not even 1 point. So we were at 433.75. Well, I guess it is 1 point, yeah. Oh well. I wouldn't hold this anymore because we took out the minor buy side. So I'd have to look for another idea now. Yeah, I touched the breaker here. I'll open chat. What's chat saying? Yep, ES did fill, you're right. What is that trade? Never take that, bro. I don't need your advice, bro. No offense. It would have played out perfectly, as you can see. On 30-second, yeah, I'm sure it's there. Is it mirror? I can't find setup. Your setup was right here. You have to take it on the breaker high. It didn't go any lower. London high potential reversal. No, I'm bullish. Should have taken the CISD. CISD did not give an entry. The order block didn't give an entry. I don't market buy it up here. It is what it is. We hit TP there. You would have hit TP. It is what it is, bro. You know what? At least I didn't hesitate and I put the order in. You know. Would you like to see the FEG under the shift? I just wanted to get filled. I just wanted to get filled there. I was waiting for the order block. Yeah, I was waiting for this fair value gap. When you getting driver license, cousin? You're weird, bro. You're like, I don't know what this guy talking about. Let's get this guy out of here, bro. I already have a driver license, bro. I've been driving for like 6 years. Could have taken the breaker. Yeah, you could have taken the breaker. But I mean, when I already had an order and like, I guess, man, you could have taken the breaker, I guess. I would have only partialed here though. Full TP would have been, oh, we hit full TP? Yeah. So -2 deviations is what I was aiming for. Yeah, it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Bro, I swear to God, guys, I'll tell you, it's not frustrating. I don't care about missing the trade. What's frustrating is every single time I hesitate, like it goes, and I didn't hesitate this time. But whenever I don't hesitate, I either don't get filled or it just it's wrong. Anyways, so that was -2 standard deviation. So if you guys remember, I said I'm partial at this level, and my full TP would have been here. So if we got filled, hypothetically, it would have been, this was the trade idea. So would I take this fair value gap? Nah, it's too far in premium. I'd have to wait for a protraction model now. Yeah, we can go higher. I just don't want to buy from this high up. That's all. The indicator I use is called ICT kill zones and pivots. Market makers watched the live. I mean, I can't really blame it on them. It did give an entry. You had to snipe the breaker. You just really had to snipe the breaker. It's probably cleanest on the 3-minute, I guess. Yeah, the 3-minute breaker is probably the cleanest. You just had to snipe it. To be fair though, like it almost always touches this fair value gap. So the fact it just didn't by 1.5 or yeah 1.5, like it's just unlucky, really. A lot of the time it will. It's not usually a breakaway gap. ES literally did touch it 1, 2 times, so I'm surprised Nasdaq didn't. It is what it is, but we shouldn't sweat it. At least I didn't hesitate and I put the order in. That's what matters more to me than actually catching the trade. Because now next time I'm hoping. Why are you bullish? Can you explain? Yeah, I can explain again, bro. But just try to come earlier, because I'm trying to focus. I'm just joking, bro. We have SMTs at the lows. Originally, I was bearish until this low, come the beginning of the week. But the fact that ES took it and we immediately expanded, putting in the SMT, we got closure above 50% new week opening gap. In doing so, we have a 4-hour bullish. We're above 50%. Like it's kind of like a lot of things stacking here, telling me it's gonna go for the buy side. So I think we can get higher still. But I really wanted to. This one was a really nice, obvious one. I mean, this is just chasing. You took this FEG, good luck, bro. I'd look for a protraction here, yeah. That's what I would look for. See what chat's saying for now. Trump speaks in 30. No, he doesn't. He's at 5 p.m., no? Sibi? Sibi is SIBI. Buy side 17 minutes Sibi power if you're looking for sales. Good luck, bro. I'm personally bullish, but good luck. I'm glad you trust yourself, You think it's going down? Yeah, be bearish, bro. Don't listen to me. ICT just was in it when right after sell side. What the fuck? Right here, he turtle souped it. Yeah, it makes sense. I mean, I called it too. As soon as that low was taken, I said I want to see CISD. CB is a bearish fair value gap. It's gonna be short because Fib golden zone. I don't know if you use that. I'm just bullish, on the higher time frame, brother. You bought the next candle? Yeah. I've been messing around with that. Is Toxic in here? Toxic, you here? Like, I've been messing around with these turtle soups. Maybe I should just start it. What do you guys think? Should I start just taking turtle soup entries? Not every single entry, but like this one. 18. Following model. I mean, I can implement the turtle soup model. Where do you watch ICT trading live? I don't. I'm on live with you guys. I do have one for it. I just don't use it because it's aggressive. I would only soup inside an old bullish fair value, like an old Bissy. That's the model. I haven't shared it because I don't want people to use it because it's too aggressive. If someone wants to trade like that, they should. Then you really have to see it for yourself. Like teaching someone a breaker and like a good thing I didn't take this trade, by the way, would have failed. Teaching someone like a breaker, it's easy for them to trust it more. Telling someone to turtle soup a specific low, they need to see that for themselves. You need to just see it for yourself. ITT can't even trade himself. Says who? SL. Did you long the fair value gap, Pareto? Can you mark the breaker for the protraction model to be sure if I'm right? It's this candle. Probably 5 minutes the cleanest. I mean, technically, you do have a unicorn setup right here. So I like this. This is your 5-minute breaker. 5-minute bullish fair value gap. I'll look for a protraction in there. Yeah, I don't mind that. But you also have a breaker right here. So this candle is the most sensitive spot, and then this candle. Hopefully that made sense. That's a 5-minute. I wanted the 5-minute because it's the cleanest. You can see here there's some disruption in the bullish order flow or buy side delivery. I'm waiting for the 5-minute FG to get tapped. Yeah, I'm looking for something like this too. Maybe like this. I don't know. It's inside the macro protraction model. All right, I'm gonna minimize the chat again. What is your bias? I'm bullish. No cap. I fuck with aggressive moves. Not gonna lie, that comes with market intuition. It really just comes. Yeah, it also just comes with intuition. Like I can't teach you one to turtle soup. You know, in my opinion, like it's one really aggressive. Two can be very tilting if you lose multiple in a row. So like, for me to teach it, it's a lot. It does come down to like intuition. Turtle soup would be like turtle soup entries would be like as soon as this candle takes the low, you just buy it. You know, where's your stop loss? Like a candle close, but I don't know. You got to figure it out. Like it's different every time. I would do it a candle close below the low. You know, I won't take the long because you're chasing. I'm not chasing, bro, but you don't have to take it. You do you, bro. I'll do me. Just wait till 10 a.m. and look for it. I saw you, bro. You do that. Dude, do you guys really think I'm gonna come? Like, I would just go live stream and be like, all right, what's TikTok chat telling me to do today? Like, nah, bro, I got my own shit going, you know? Win or lose. You waiting for news? If we get the model before news, I'll take it. I'll make sure my stop's protected, though. I'm still bullish. Just trying to help you out. I appreciate you, but it's not really helping, you know? It's not really helping. I am looking for longs. Yeah, I'm looking for longs, guys. Don't we have an estimate of 4 hour or should it be high, not a random candle? You will get destroyed. Yeah, true, man. If I listen to you, I'm feeling Yo, if you're feeling shorts, don't listen to me, bro. Why don't you have a Canadian accent? What is a Canadian accent? You mean like a fucking like farmer accent, bro? 10 a.m. PO3? Yeah, we can look for that as well. I'm looking for continuation longs. Alright, I'm gonna minimize chat. I don't think I missed much. Toronto accent's crazy, bro. Hey? That's the accent? That's not even an accent. That's You trade 10 a.m. PO3? I trade every PO3. You sound American? What? I mean, bro, we're pretty much the same. You think the news is gonna move the market a lot? We should have a decent wick, not a lot. Maybe like something like this, 939 candle, maybe 938 candle, like something around the realm of 30 to 50 points. I was bullish gold. Now it's all-time highs, so I don't trade it, but I'll give my analysis whenever it forms. Why we gotta expand aggressively? Now it goes my way. Where was your stop loss? I don't think it really made sense. That's why I was asking you where'd you enter off of? It's not a bad trade. I would love to see lower now. We have a nice juicy 10-minute fair value gap right there. Bro, why is there a volume imbalance, bro? Alright, I'm gonna minimize chat. A nice buy model. Yeah, man. I mean, I'm definitely bullish without question. We touched the volume imbalance. -4 just aligns too cleanly there. Rinse and repeat. This looks really clean. ES still hasn't taken this buy side. I'd love to see him move lower right now. I mean, that wasn't me hesitating. Right? I had the limit in. As long as I didn't hesitate, I'm honestly happy. If news can manipulate lower, man, that'd be absolutely great. Just one of those days where every single bullish for value gap gets held. Order flow is really bullish. Just we have the right bias. And we didn't hesitate. If we take Asia highs, I honestly just might close the charts and leave. I'm tempted to. Before I do something stupid. Like, I don't know. Look for a short. I wouldn't look for shorts. There's no. I'd be breaking every rule if I did. I mean, not every rule. If I'm expecting a range day, I could look for shorts, but look, you almost know we're gonna come to this level. You know, we marked that out 21.6. How do you measure a move again? What's going on here? I feel like Toxic is probably took the long market buy. I feel like he would do that. Is Toxic in chat? How much do you make from trading? Not much. Like it depends if I get a payout or not. Ask me like end of the year and I can tell you. No, I don't mind, bro. You can ask questions. You can ask whatever you want. I don't really care. I've been like, bro. I've been streaming every single day. Yo, Chooch is the boy, homie. I actually love Chooch, bro. I've been streaming every single day since like May or something, you know. So, what do you think about Trump's speech tonight? Oh, how am I supposed to know? He hasn't even said anything yet, bro. What do I think about? What do I think about what? The speech that is about to happen. Like, I'm happy he took the speech, bro. Hey, Gad, you planning to buy Bitcoin from 15-minute break, or is it a good plan? Sure, bro. If you're bullish, why not? Can you analyze the 15-minute chart? Are you waiting for no news? We missed our entry. I was trying to get I had an order like this. My stop was here. My TP was -2 standard deviations. I didn't get filled. This candle right here, 935, did not fill me, and then it took off. I didn't want to chase it in premium, and it's probably gonna hit our final objective, right? This was all outlined before stream, like at the beginning of stream. Opinion on speech? Speech is good, bro. Speech is good. Did we take London highs? We're about to take high of day, if that's what you're referring to. London highs is long gone, bro. It's Asia highs. over here. That's what you're talking about. And when we have high of day, I took market order when you said 100 pips. Yeah, a lot of people do that. When I say like it's gonna go higher and I put a limit, they just fucking buy. I wonder if you did you know that it like wasn't gonna fill me, bro? There's something going on here, bro. Should I just have market bought? Should I just market buy this candle that's coming down? Don't I wait for news? Bro, I don't know how many times people have asked me this question. If my model forms before news, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. If news is approaching and my stop position is not covered, I will cover it in case news manipulates me. I would never not take this trade. Why would I not take this trade? Because there's news in 27 minutes. You guys are acting like it's CPI, bro. It's freaking Jolt's job openings, bro. It's gonna be like one candle. Maybe that looks like 950 candle. And that's it, bro. At this point, literally miss entry every day. Not when I lose, bro. At least not when I lose. Did it sweep London liquidity and went down? No, it did not. I entered 150-minute mitigation block. Nice, bro. Mitigation block means it's likely to continue. I took market order when you said just looked right. It did look right, you know. I was tempted to market buy, but this was too high. I guess I could have bought it here, man. But who am I to predict that low? I'm not that good. If I was gonna market buy this, it's just market buy the turtle soup. News make high impact. It's not gonna be too high impact. We can get a nice large candle, but nothing crazy. Still news in 7 minutes. Did you take the trade? No, I didn't get filled. I didn't get filled. And I was just outlining how I don't really want to chase it because I'm bullish. And if we're going to take high of day, like I'll just walk, man. I'll just walk away. Come back at lunch or PM. Maybe I'll find a scalp. Because I'm going to be honest. Like, I already know I'm a little bit frustrated. NVIDIA Pumps is praying for your evals today. NVIDIA Pump is paying for my evals. What's NVIDIA at? Oh, 120. Apple's good. AMD's good. Yeah, everything's pumping up. That's not bad, I guess. I'm holding this shit forever. That expansion is crazy. Of course it's crazy, bro, because I didn't get filled. But like, I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I'm a little bit frustrated. I know you shouldn't be. I know I shouldn't be. But it's just been happening too often recently, you know? It's been happening too often recently. I mean, we can see here. Maybe we do manipulate down 10 a.m. power 3 idea silver bullet. But it's just been happening a little too often, you know? It's frustrating. Yeah, definitely bullish. Like, see, that's your news candle. You tell me you guys were not trading the first 30 minutes because, okay, you know what? That's a little bit more volatile. But I did say, what did I say? 30 to 50 points? It's at 35 points right now. There's Asia highs, yeah. That's our final TP. You don't think it's too late? For me, it's too late. Because that's high of day. I'm not here trying to predict high of day. I don't want to even get into that. Higher, if it is going to go higher, potential objectives, any of these premium arrays are valid. If it's really bullish, it'll probably take the buy side. Should have full ported news. It wasn't even a crazy candle. But if you guys didn't even know it was news, you wouldn't have even thought this was a news candle. You'd be like, ah, it's a regular candle. Just looks like this one or this one. Literally the same thing I said. Like, it's going to be like your 950 candle. Like, I really think it's just best for me to walk away. You know? I don't think I should touch this. No, I'm not in a long. I'm not in a long. I was just outlining to some people in my Discord how I missed the fill. At least I didn't hesitate, you know? At least I didn't hesitate. Yeah, that's your MVM complete as well. So look for 4.5 potentially. Yeah, I don't think your stop loss was good, Rito. You had a good idea, brother. Quick short. Nah, see, like that. I mean, you can go for it. Bro, the fact you even say it like that, oh, bro, just quick short. Quick short. Let me get a quick. Nah, come on, bro. You know? It's not like this. Let me just try to sneak a little quick short in here. Nah, come on, bro. It's fucking, you know. I feel you, bro. It stings. Trust me, I know, bro. Trust me, I know it stings, bro. I called this shit out. 8 a.m. I alerted my Discord that I was bullish. I previously told them I was bearish. After I know we obviously dumped like 800 points or some shit. I don't know how much this is. Then I had to re-alert them that I'm no longer bearish and I'm bullish today, based on the 4 hour. I said I think this 4 hour is gonna hold. Um, you're gonna get blocked. All good, bro. I didn't take the trade, Anthony. I didn't get the fill. I need more. Yo, who in TikTok is always here? I'll make you moderator right now. So how they always say build a strategy based on liquidity and it didn't swept, right? No, it swept. It literally swept right here. Perfect. This is all I want. In fact, I wouldn't want to see it go any lower. What the fuck are the 120 people doing in here? There's 128 people in here. Casper, Rilo, bro, you guys are lying, bro. I never seen you guys talk once, bro. Why did my why did my NQ pause? Engagement baiting? I just need a moderator, bro. What labels? What labels, bro? Retraction off the 5? What are you aiming for? The hourly Sibi? Maybe. Possible. I mean, JD is for sure always here. Listen, the only people that need to be muted. JD, I'll make you mod. Oh, this? It's called AGFX watermark. It's an indicator. Nah, I didn't get the fill. I tried longing first presentation. This was the trade idea. I had my limit here, and I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I would not have held it that long. I would have took my full TP at this level, 2 standard deviations. I'd hope that I would have left a runner. Yeah, I will, Meher. Give me a sec. I hope this. I hope I would have left a runner, but I don't know if I would have. JD. So you don't have to like if someone says like, "Yo, you're shit." You don't have to ban those guys. Just mute the people who are like saying some like stupid shit or just spamming or being like super annoying. Or someone comes in and just says some shit like, "You're so ass. Watch me instead," or like like just like either super like dumb shit. But like if someone's just hating a little bit, like it's not a big deal, you know. Like I'm not butthurt. Start taking attendance. Fuck it. I mean, if I see you guys again, I'll probably know. But I don't know if you guys have been here or not. Um, I just haven't seen your names that much. Yeah, the 15 minutes. Yeah, it's clean. I was bullish. You know, I was bullish. Never once did I say I was bearish. You know. Hey man, you know what? If Price wants to run the next day or two, that's okay because I have a lot of money in Nvidia and AMD. I ain't even gonna lie. I was getting a little sweaty and I was like, shit, this might be a 1 year hold. But always been here. Yeah, no, you're good, bro. There's really no point, like, there's really not that much point in talking all the time. I don't even read the chat all the time. I mean, usually I do, but recently I'm not gonna be. Let's check our positions. Usually I don't be reading the chat all the time. I'm still down on some of the positions, but we're up on some of them. Let's open up the portfolio and see. So I think I'm guessing we're probably still down on NVIDIA. Yeah, so we're just down on NVIDIA, but I'll just let that one go. I'm not gonna buy more yet. We're at break even on AMD, and we're up on Apple. But we are up 3% on the day today, so that's good. I have some more cash on the account. I'm not gonna buy anything unless shit just starts to dump. Like, just in case, bro. How does price not touch FT by 1 point low? Market makers watching you? Thank you for the support, Koala. Honestly, it makes me feel better when crazy on the video past Apple and basically every stock. Yeah, that is crazy, bro. What about entering some point above? Because even the president has FT still pushing kitchen and it could be a breakaway. You're right. No, in hindsight. So in hindsight, what could I have? Let's make a video about this. So in hindsight, what could I have done better to actually, maybe ensure myself that I catch this trade? It's hard because as soon as this market closed, as soon as this candle closed, I'm looking for a long. But I don't want to take it like this. I mean, I guess I could have. It's still 2 risk to reward and relatively close. I guess you could have just market buy here, but it's not the best, if I'm being honest. It's really not the best. And especially because the buy side's only 1.3 R. So I wouldn't market buy there. Now, when this candle starts to come down, you can buy that. That's also an opportunity. You could have also zoomed out, saw the 3-minute breaker, and taken a long off that. That's also possible. First presentation as a breakaway, man, it's unlikely, bro. It's just honestly being able to recover. Yeah, for sure. Like in hindsight, what could I have done better? Really not that clean. The thing is about just market buying here. Market buying here is pretty much similar to just market buying here. You know, I'm bullish. I think look at this black line is gonna be reached. We mark that out. How's your day been, man? Not bad, bro. Do you have any money on Solana? Nah, I don't like crypto. I go all stocks. I'm all stocks. Yeah, I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna talk to chat, answer some questions. Odd USD. I did not take this trade. This was not me getting caught red-handed. I swear I have not. I have not taken any odd trades. This looks really freaking bearish, but I mean, you didn't get mad. You didn't take a trade. Looks like a W to me. Honestly, the real. Oh, this looks good. Wait. It doesn't look bad. Could potentially get higher. I use TradeZilla to journal primarily. Sometimes Notion as well. There's your final TP. About to get hit. How much you take off your position? It depends on where the partial is, brother, and how much I'm in. The main thing I'm happy about is I didn't get I didn't hesitate and I put the order in, you know. How much you risk on your funded? I risk 10% of my drawdown. So if I have 2K drawdown, I'll risk 200 per trade. Can you go live during AMD earnings if you're free? I will be free, but I don't think I'm gonna go live. What would I go live for? I'm not gonna trade that time. When is it better to look for entries in a 15-second chart? The same way you would go from, let's say, a 5-minute to a 3, the same way you would use like 1 to 15. You do same in your PA accounts. My evals, I risk a little bit more. For funded, I risk 10% of drawdown. So whenever I'm funded on a 50K, I'm gonna risk probably 200 per trade, maybe 250. I've been messing around with a little bit higher risk. I think it is a little bit better actually. It's just a premium civvy. So if you mark out that range, That black line is a 1 hour SIBI. So the price is going to go from discount to premium. So just look to the left. Look at your premium arrays. This is your first one, right? This premium bearish fair value gap. So you know it's likely to get there. Just passed my first eval. Nice today, bro. Why did the place a limit and not just market order? I never use limit. Just go with what I think. You're right. The reason about the limit order is because, like, where would I market buy this? Where? At this candle's close? Yeah, I could have. But I want to get a good fill. I can't just keep market buying, like, oh, I think it's going to go up. Let me just buy it, like, right now. Like, it's not a good trade, you know? I still need to find some sort of consistency in risk to reward. You just got in as fast as you could. That sounds like chasing price, bro. I'm going to be real with you. If maybe not like this time because it worked out, but if I just got in as fast as I could when I was bullish every time, yeah, why not? Nurik, for sure. Let me outline the 15-second chart for you. Like, I may be wrong, but I think there needs to be some sort of model for it. Which 15-second? I don't see any 15-second entry here. I don't know. They're saying, Toppy, he's saying, like, why don't you just market buy it? The 30 seconds, right? The 30-second tapped in. So you could have used a 30-second. Would have filled you. Can you drag TP to 5? I want to see the full RR on full TP. Well, it wouldn't be 5, right? You would just look for like a 5.5 on this. And if you really wanted to, you could look for like, if you really wanted to snipe it, I mean, realistically, I don't even think we'll reach 25%. But if you really wanted to snipe it, like somewhere in between here would probably be best case. This is like just me projecting. Man, if you held this all the way to the hourly bearish fair value gap, holy shit. I mean, wait, the entry wouldn't have been there. The entry would have been right there. Stop was at the rejection. Yeah, it would have been 7.5. And then, like I said, if you held it, like, best case scenario, like, you could parcel out these. Why are you ignoring myself? I'm not ignoring myself. Why'd I leave him on delivered? Myself. Is myself live right now? You guys don't want to know, man. You guys don't want to know. No, you guys don't want to know why. Can you show the settings to your deviation levels? Yeah. These are my settings. These are for distribution projections. How did you get diff fib measurements without changing your fib settings? I'll tell you. You got to make different templates. So then you don't have to keep changing it manually every time. No, I didn't get filled, guys. I didn't get filled. And I wouldn't have held it. I hope I would have held the runner. If I'm being honest, I probably would have closed it right there. -2 is what I was aiming for, just above this buy side. You had a good day? No, I didn't catch a trade. If you just make templates, so I can switch any fib settings I want, just save it as a template. How do you get dip? Yeah, that's exactly what you do. The second 15 every fair value gap above. This one? Yeah, you can take one, but just take the 1 minute. I mean, oh, there is no 1 minute there. Oh yeah, I'm tripping. Yeah, you can take that 15. Like, that's your price delivery continuum theory, right? Came down. This is your propulsion block. And then fair value gap. Like, you can do that 100%. I actually have an entry model like this, but I was a little bit too hesitant to. I don't like doing the 50-second too much. I'm definitely not holding that. Yeah, exactly. You're picking off at that like 4 RR. Like, for me, it would have been realistically, if I'm being straight up, would I have left a runner? The thing is, on this account, I would have left a runner because I was gonna go in with 10 micros, so I can just take off 8 here, and then like best case scenario, look for high of day, which would have been this, and then maybe I would take 1 off and then leave 1 more, but like I would have had 8 micros on this account. This is a 150K account, right? So I would have had a lot more. Bro, why are you bullish and why isn't that high at 742 protected? Why was I bullish? I shall tell you why. Why was I bullish? This is why I was bullish. Pull porting? Nah, I'll probably come back on my own time, lunch or PM. But we already moved, so like AM is so good. I like to come back when AM is bad, but AM is good. Kind of just accept it that I didn't get the fill. That's just how I like to do it. It's about preserving the mental capital at this point, right? It's not about making money. It's never about making money. Like, don't trade to make money. Remember that. You have to trade to improve your skills. This is why I was bullish. This is your protected low. The first thing I said on stream was, I don't think this low is going to get taken. Let's do it, choose. Choose. Hold on. This trade would have been a 3x. So I need a 3x today, bro. This trade would have been 3x. So I need a 2.5x. I need a 2.5x for today, bro. Or should we just run the challenge? Realistically, it is for the money. No, but that's the thing. It's not about the money. It really isn't about the money. It isn't. It's about improving your skills so you can make money in the future or long term. It's not about how much money I make today. When you go into a trading session, it's not about, oh, how much can I make on this trade or this session? It's about, can I improve so that long term I can consistently make money? If I wanted to make money today, bro, like I'll show you guys. Like, if you really want to, if you really is, oh, okay, my goal today is to make money today. All right. Hold on, I'm on micro. This is a paper account. Like, if I wanted to do this, okay, my goal is to make money today. Okay, boom. I could just keep trading until I make money. If it's about the money, but if it's about improving and making money long term, it's a different story then, you know? Mic muted? Is it? Only do that. I mean, I'm not saying trade like this, but what I'm trying to say is the goal is to improve your skills, you know? Improve your skills so that you can make money. That's just what I'm trying to say. Did we hit the hourly city? Yo, I literally went long at the hourly. Yeah, we could probably get a nice retracement here. I get you. You're not wrong. Sell high, my low gotta be the worst entry I've ever seen. Yo, we actually sniped that. I mean, reverse snipe. But guys, it was literally down like, it's just because that was 3 minis. That's why it looked so bad. Well, this is paper. Yeah, this is paper. Yeah, this is paper. I was just trying to make a point, guys. I was just trying to make a point. That's funny as hell. This might actually go lower though. Now I just want to click sell on my paper. If it inverts the alley, you're gonna look for longs. I'm done. I'm done for today. I'm done for today. How it goes up. I mean, that's why you don't do this. I know you guys. I know because I've done it. So that's how I know some of you have done this. I know some of you have just clicked buy because you're like, fuck man, or like you just want to make a little bit of money. You're like, you click buy, then it starts going down, and then you click, oh shit, it's actually going down. You click sell, and then that shit starts to go up. I've been there, bro. I've been there. I swear to God, I've been there. And then you realize that like you zoom out and nothing's really happening. That's why you really have to be patient, you know? It's just because you put on so much size, like people think you have to trade like this. Like, bro, you don't. What's the tool for premium and discount? It's called Ganbox. It's called Ganbox. You're gonna have to adjust the settings. It's located in this section, Ganbox. Anyways, there's your final TP. Went to -6 standard deviations. I just think it's best for me to walk away. I would not know that. Okay, I've done that too. I've done that on live stream with like 3 accounts. Next thing you know, minus. Ah, yeah. I've been there. I've been there. I've definitely been there. A day trade turned into a day trade turned into. Yeah, that's funny, bro. It's funny. Um, it's kind of boring. Yeah, you kind of had like one, maybe two opportunities somewhere here and somewhere here to get in on this. I'm not even gonna sweat it, man. I'm just gonna close it. I'm gonna be back. Um, you know, maybe in the lunch I'll look for something, or in the PM or final hour if I really want to take a scalp, because I don't want to be holding on these evals too long. How much trades do you expect in a month? I don't really have a number. I don't have a number. Let's get funded again. Let's start keeping track better. Now that I have a, I haven't made adjustments to my model in a while, so I haven't made any adjustments. So I think we have like everything. So let's get funded with this. Let's get funded. And I'm gonna start keeping track. You know what's possible trade from TopStep Trade Rate? Not on the accounts you have right now. You'd have to get a new account. What happens if you go over a month? Me? You have to pay the rebill. So I won't. I won't personally. I will just full port it at the end. You know. You know. So like, if it's getting close, like let's say I have a couple days left or a week left, I'll just up my risk, because I'm not trying to hold evals. Even for 1 month is a long time. You know. How was the AM sesh? I didn't get the feel on first presentation, and it just kind of went full port then pay for rebuild. I wouldn't full port it in one trade. What I would do is, if I'm like okay, let's just take for example. Let's go to my top step accounts. Oh, let me not flash anything. You were trying to get first presentation as well. It's a frustrating one, right? Asia highs. I outlined Asia highs as a draw liquidity. So my accounts rebuild on the 28th. My top step accounts rebuild on the 28th. Currently, this one's up 700, and this one's up 850. So let's call it. We need to make 2,000. Let's just say 2,300. So I'll use that. So 2,300. But okay, this is a bad example because I still have 1, 2, like 3 weeks. But let's say I'm at this level and it's the last week. I'm just gonna like double my risk, you know. And realistically, I like, even if like if we don't take a trade this week or we don't end it, like I'm gonna probably up my risk next week, because I want to have funded by the end of February, so I can start trading on funded. Yeah, you failed 2 last combines. I don't know which one you're referring to, but probably, yeah. I want to learn to just go for the manual entry sometimes, because this happened yesterday too. Yeah. I wonder if I just start buying market and we just throw away limit orders completely. I might be tempted, because no, if you're funded, you don't get rebuild. So what do you say when you want to approach a girl in person? I don't know, bro. I have a girl. I don't approach. I don't know. I'm gonna be real with you. I've never approached a girl in my entire life, bro. Like, so I have a girl, bro. So I don't know. Straight up. Made 500 off the long zone previous break that turned into demand zone, tapped into it. Nice, bro. All I do is buy market, bro. Bro, fuck you guys, bro. Why you guys laughing at me, bro? Torres, what your account is on the end of the day? Talk about the candle pattern. It works. Why is bro ripping that question? Bro, just be yourself. You know, like you don't wanna like go and be someone you're not, because then it won't work out anyways, bro. We're trying to get in shorts 1050. Yeah, I'd probably expect to move lower in lunch because we haven't taken out any major sell side. So just know that I'm saying that, but I'm probably not gonna trade it. But I'd probably expect to move lower in lunch, 1050 going into the lunch hour. So 11:30 to 1:30. Probably expect some sort of run on sell side. That's what I'm expecting too, but we're not going to. I mean, maybe not. I think we will, but I'm not gonna be here. I'm not gonna be here. I CBA, bro. Just gonna move on. I tried to get the long. We missed it. We called it very nicely. I had the limit order. I'm glad I didn't hesitate. I think we stopped with the limit orders. I mean, there's no reason to stop. It's been happening a lot recently. And to be honest, like, bro, like, as soon as this candle starts to trade down, the thing is, it does get kind of scary, you know? Because, like, it's a lot of heat. It's not like when you market buy and you're doing something like this, you know, like, your stop loss is still all the way down. Like, imagine you got filled somewhere there. That's a terrible fill. It's 0.7 R. So like, yeah, I want to market buy and get in on trade, but like, when? You could just buy it as this candle is expanding, you know? Like, say you could have maybe like, oh, you see this? Let's say it just comes above this high, and you're like, you know what? I'll buy that, you know? All of a sudden you have a 3.4 R. Was it bad? You seen no entries? No, there wasn't really. There was two potential entries, right? You trust this as a first stage accumulation, which you guys don't really know because I haven't taught. But you can trust this fair value gap or this fair value gap if you're still bullish. The only real entry there was the breaker, you know, or the 3-minute CISD. Yeah, me too, JD. Had to eval for 2 weeks and been break even, so not sure what to do. Have you ever passed before? This is the thing. So when I say that I'm gonna rush it, it's because I've already passed and blown so many. I don't need to like prove it to myself that I can pass, you know? If you've never really gotten a payout or passed without gambling, you know, then you don't want to be doing that, cuz trust me, it's worth it. You want to trust. The most important thing for you, in my opinion, vital vibes, is you want to be able to trust your model. So when you do get funded, you don't hesitate. You don't want to be funded and then be like, "Oh, I have to over leverage to make money, or I have to like just go long 3 minis for 10 points if I want to make money." You want to actually trust your model. And if you pass the eval by just over leveraging or gambling, you're not going to trust your model because you never actually proved it to yourself, you know? Imagine you stayed disciplined for like 2 months and then you got funded or you got a payout. That's a really good confidence booster. Can I be profitable in 3 months? Sure. Why not? What would stop you? Only you. So don't stop yourself. Possible. I got my first payout in 3 months. I trade ICT. That's good, Toxic. He wasn't even looking for longs at all. I mean, you know what? The model protected you then. Because if you were looking for shorts from like this level or this level, yeah, probably this level, right? You would have seen absolutely nothing, right? No breaker, no CSE. How to identify and avoid breakaway gaps? When you're really bullish, expect a breakaway gap to form. It's just about gauging order flow, you know? The market was obviously in a hurry here to go higher. How do you know? This candle. We disrespected this. We disrespected this. We got the CISD. We disrespected this high. It's really bullish order flow, expect a breakaway gap. What system do you execute in NinjaTrader with Apex? No, I use Tradeovate, I use Tradeify, and I use Top Step X as well. No, I didn't take the long. I didn't get filled. My order was right here. That's where I put my limit order. I started learning ICT in September. I went for my first funded January. I passed my first funded January 31st. I got my first payout in March. I'll trade if yeah, no complaints. It's not bad. Pretty much it's like Apex. Continuation entry once we get the CISD. Maybe I wouldn't, but this is me. Though you sound like my journey, but this year so far. Can we join call later? Yeah, we can do a call at 12. How was today for you? No, I didn't get it. I didn't catch a trade. Missed my entry. I was trying to get in at this line, this fair value gap. It didn't touch. Just went Tradeovate, Tradeify, and Top Step X. Yep, exactly. That's what I use right now. That's what I use right now. Yeah, we can call toxic. How much time would you put in daily? A lot of time, like 10 hours a day. Like I finished 2022 in like a week, and then I rewatched it the week after because I realized I rushed. Um, I watched a lot. I went crazy. Toxic. We'll probably do a one-on-one. Actually, we can go in the group. Let me post this. I already posted in gems why I was bullish, but I will outline this. You finished 2020 membership in 1 week only? Yep, and then I rewatched it the entire next week. Exactly, too. Literally. I mean, at the time I was living in a house, but yeah. Yes, exactly. Yeah, I think we'll leave it this for the depictions. Your mind. Yo, Toxic, you still here? Yeah, today was unfortunate. That would have been a huge confidence booster, but it is what it is. Yeah, I don't think he's here. I'm just outlining this so I can send it to the Discord. Trying to break the curse. Why didn't it go down and sweep Asia highs? If it did sweep Asia highs, if it went all the way down there, it wouldn't be bullish, brother. I hope the video would be 150. That would be a nice paycheck for me, bro. No, I didn't get the fill today. This isn't actually Asia highs, by the way. I'm just marking this out as Asia highs. Notice as soon as the macro comes, we start to spool again. Wow, the macro delivered the entire move. That's crazy. All right. Let's I think we tried taking the same trade. Probably, bro. Trump speaks tomorrow. He speaks at like in lunch. Yeah, take care, JD. I'm off for today as well. What's your entry today? I didn't catch the fill. It went without us today, unfortunately. But it is what it is. He talks at 5. Yep, that's what I thought as well. But that's it for me today, guys. If you guys have any questions, I'll stay for a bit. Yeah, I can go over the trade. We can go over. I'll answer any questions and then we'll head out. So you said, yeah, can you go over the trade? I'll go over the trade right here. So I have a picture of it. I'll just go over it. As soon as 9:30 opens, we're bullish. You have to understand we're bullish. First thing we do, we engineer these relative equal highs. So we come up prior to 9:30. So that's your original purge. Then we run down at 9:30 open. We take out the sell side and we fill up this old 5-minute bullish fair value gap. If it's going to go higher from this point, you'd want to see a change in the state of delivery. That immediately happens after 1 minute. So this candle immediately puts in a change in state of delivery. In doing so, we also get a bullish breaker. Price trades back into the breaker right here. creating this breakaway gap. I didn't know it was a breakaway gap at the time, so I tried to put my order right here and I missed the fill. Let me record this. Okay, so this is the trade idea that we missed the fill on for today. Basically, you can see the double purge formation. So we come up, we engineer these highs, and then as soon as 930 comes, we go down, fill up this old bullish fair value gap, and take out this low, and we wick. If it's going to continue higher here or reverse, you're gonna look for a change in the state of delivery or a breaker for my personal model rules. So we got both right here, and we ended up forming this breakaway gap on the retest of the breaker mean threshold, which I did not know this was a breakaway gap at the time. So I left my limit order right here, and it kind of just went without us. So that was the formation of the reversal. And if you follow the market maker buy model, this would have been your first stage accumulation to look for a re-entry. I guess you could also view this as your second stage, depending. Like this move lower right here is your first stage, and then this is your reaccumulation and your last leg, right? This is your highest probability leg. You can see the deviation levels being met here and Asia highs. You can see as soon as the macro comes, you get that distribution from that reaccumulation or your redistribution, and this is basically an outline of how it formed. So that's basically what happened today morning session. Missed the same trade. It happens, bro. It happens. All right, they'll be recording. Record the market review. So first thing. So I'm looking for an entry on the first. So in hindsight. Cool. Anyways, I'm gonna be heading out, boys. I'll be live again tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we can execute something. I'm glad I didn't hesitate today. We put the order in. That's what matters most, in my opinion, because that's what I've been struggling with recently. So yeah, I'll call you right now, Chooch. And I will see you guys live tomorrow. At least we didn't hesitate, Come back tomorrow. Tomorrow we also won't hesitate. And I might trade lunch or PM. If I do, I'll take any. If I take any trades, I'll post it in the Discord. That's all for me today, boys. Appreciate everyone coming through. I'll see you guys live tomorrow.